Hey guys, this is Grenade Launcher 101 here, back at it with Splinter Cell Pandora tomorrow. This time around, I'm going to show you guys an alternate route in the train mission when getting to Norman Saw. So, here we go. Obviously, we got to take out this light.
Hello, conductor? Does anybody know where the lights are?
They're going to have a conversation here, but since we turn the lights off, it's going to basically give us more time to get over here. No problem. And bam, you did it, just like that. So that was it. That was all I wanted to show you guys. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope this has helped. Now I'm gonna show you guys more along the way, but for right now, this is Grenade Launcher 101 signing off. Take care, guys.